Absolutely right. Looks like we're going to see, I'm going to say between 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock, some scattered thunderstorms moving through. A little bit of uncertainty about exactly where they will be. They're going to be very spotty. Not the whole area is going to be covered with them like we saw earlier today. Let's start with our 3-degree guarantee. There you go. 88 degrees the forecast high. And guess what? The official high, 88 degrees as well. Current jackpot now, $240. And we still have like 5 days left, so we could jack this up to $290, and you could win it. Only if you register, though. Register at local3news.com/3-degree. It is a magical thing. Tomorrow, jacking it up to 91 degrees, mostly sunny in the afternoon, and it is going to be really, really humid. Here are some of the rainfall totals estimated. You can see Chattanooga and eastward where we had this nice swath where we had a lot of folks getting more than 2 inches of rain, but most folks saw 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. 70 right now in Chattanooga, 68 in Cleveland, 68 degrees in Dalton as well. And there's your 12-hour rainfall. That's the one I was looking for. 2.3, there's a 2 inches of rain. In and around parts of Ray County, we had heavy hail. Also Rossville over into Eastridge, we had heavy hail, and a lot of other areas saw minor areas with hail, a lot of wind damage also, trees down, things of that nature. So just kind of a mess today. A few more storms overnight, and that's going to be followed by dry weather for several days, and then heating up next week also. Wait until you see how much it's going to heat up. Rain chances return next weekend. 70 in Chattanooga, it is 68 Cleveland, 63 in Murphy. And here's your futurecast. Again, 2 o'clock. You're starting to see a little bit of activity around the area, maybe up toward the Blue Ridge Mountains. We see a couple of stray showers, thunderstorms popping up. And then we're looking at this. Now, with the last model run, we saw a lot of this a little bit further south. So I'm not locking it in stone that this is exactly where we will see these thunderstorms moving through. But I do think it's going to be hit and miss, and I do think they'll be scattered. But embedded in here, we could see easily some large hail as well as gusty, damaging winds, and that was what we saw earlier today. So especially if you live in this area, say McMinn County, stretching up toward Meigs County, just be on the lookout during the overnight hours between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. is when we'll have the best chance of thunderstorms moving through. But again, don't get too locked into the exact position. If you're in North Georgia, Northeast Alabama, Cumberland Plateau, the Tennessee Valley, you could see a couple of these thunderstorms drifting through your area as well overnight. So just be on guard. By 6 o'clock, everything begins to wind down and move out. 8 o'clock, everything is gone, and we are getting ready to enjoy a hot, muggy day. Don't expect any rainfall. Well east of town, maybe a 10% chance for up toward the Blue Ridge, but for the most part, we are going to be rain-free and hot and humid. Same on Tuesday. I don't expect much of a difference at all. Wednesday, Thursday, take a look at this warm front that's going to be working its way in. Underneath that, we'll get up to 95 on Thursday. 98 on Friday. Might see a couple of stray showers early Friday afternoon, but the rain chance only 20%. So evening storms, they have ended. Spotty storms during the overnight as we drop into the upper 60s and low 70s. Tomorrow, there you go, after those early morning storms push out after 8 a.m., we're looking at hot, muggy weather, upper 80s, low 90s. Mid-80s on the plateau. Might be a little breezy at times as well. There you go, 91, mostly sunny, 95 on Thursday. Not much in the way of rain, but maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm on Friday, a high of 98. Still hot and humid over the weekend. We will up that rain chance a little bit for next Saturday and Sunday as well.